Hey, how's it going? Hope y'all are doing well. Okay, y'all. So, one of the things about being on a semaglutide and being on Ozempic or Wegovy or whatever you're doing, y'all, it is a true game changer. I definitely feel that I have benefited so much as a person from taking this drug, and it sounds kind of weird to even talk about it in that sense. I recently made a video about should you believe all the hoopla? Because I mean, there's people saying this is the elixir of life, this is the key to weight loss. There is important things to know, and there are important facts to really realize about what the true benefit of this is. The reason why I'm making this video is just for you to be self-aware of what's going on in the industry as far as the medication itself. So I can tell you right now, I have almost at 70 pounds lost. I'm going to make an update video at some point here. I'm getting really, really close. I have had great results with Ozempic. So, as far as do I believe this actual product works? Sure, 100%. Am I seeing the benefits? I'm a type 2 diabetic. So I'm not the Hollywood type. I'm not, someone who's like, oh, I need a weight loss drug because I need to shed the pounds to fit into the summer outfit. I am a person who has been close to 600 pounds. Before taking Ozempic, I was in the mid 500s, and now I'm below that. That might not sound like a lot to a lot of people, but it is to me, and it is a game changer. So this, not just this product, but this life change that I've been doing, and just kind of using this tool has been a total game changer for me. So, big question I kind of thought about when doing this is, do I need to take this forever? Now, as a type 2 diabetic for the last 5 years, I have been taking metformin. That is a daily routine. Every day I take one pill in the morning, one pill in the night, and, that is a daily thing. So it is part of my life. So now I got to really think about, is the Ozempic going to have to be something I'm doing forever? So to kind of answer that question, it all really kind of points to most likely yes if I don't do something like weight loss surgery. A lot of folks have given me like, hey, do weight loss surgery, or hey, don't do weight loss surgery. I am doing everything, just to give you personal information. I am literally doing everything right now in my power to get all the right scans to get approved for weight loss surgery, to meet with a weight loss team, to meet with my weight loss doctors. Right now, my projected goal is by end of the year to have weight loss surgery. Just because I, at this point, feel that I really need to have that reassurance that I am going to be able to keep this off and continue down the right path of health. Now, I've had also folks say, maybe you do the Ozempic and you get down to a healthy weight that's good for you, and maybe there's pros and cons to having the surgery. I'm also open to wherever my wife and I make a decision at that point, because it's something to think about. So I'm being really transparent with y'all right now. So I definitely want the weight loss surgery, but I'm also really open to seeing where I could just take this and all that. But be it that I said that basically does mean that I'm probably going to need to be using Ozempic, just like something like metformin. And that's kind of a hard thing. And this is the whole reason why I'm talking about this. Right now, there are a lot of employers. Now, kind of a little bit of a disclosure, I guess. I do not work for a medical insurance company. I am an insurance agent, but I am a property and casualty agent. And I am not saying this as an insurance agent. Just being honest with you, I'm saying this as a consumer and just a fellow person. But I do understand a lot about how health insurance works because I've been around it, and I've also had friends who are agents in that field, and I'm smarter than the average bear when it comes to health insurance. Let's put it that way, because I've been a 20-year insurance agent. But needless to say, it's not my expertise. I'm not a doctor. I'm not a nurse. But there's been a huge, just if you go to Google, if you see on the news feeds, there are employers that, I'm going to be honest with y'all, are freaking out right now about semaglutides because they are taking the industry by storm. The cost, you might have heard me talk about this before. The cost for Wagovy, the cost for Ozempic, and the cost for things like Mounjaro, even with Trulicity and stuff, that range from anywhere from $800 if you're really lucky to $1,500 per month. So can you imagine an employer paying $1,500 per month? That could be someone's paycheck. That could be more than a paycheck. Technically, they could be paying more out for that person guaranteed per month. So, are in these employers big and evil and bad? Are they, like the boss from the Jetsons, the Sprockets Incorporated? Jetson! Jury's out. But anyway, I say that as a joke. It's something to kind of think about as far as there are a lot of big employers who are freaking out about this because it is a huge expense. Now, there is stuff in the works where they're talking about trying to, it sounds weird, but trying to wing people off of stuff like Ozempic after they've had that success, and by lowering dosage and getting people to be off of it. And what you really should be is you should have made that lifestyle change and use it as that opportunity. There's also talks about in the future, they're already developing right now. I know Novo Nordisk, who makes Ozempic, is talking about doing a pill, kind of like a metformin type pill. Right now, that's all up in the air. Y'all, this is all new territory. So it's kind of something to think about when you are taking Ozempic or taking one of the semaglutides. What's going to be the long-term requirements, and are you going to be able to do it? If you like to have a video or to have me put together a video about really helping, or how you could, basically easier steps to getting it, through your insurance, let me know in the comments, because that's something I've actually thought about doing. I've had a lot of people kind of ask me questions about that. There are things out there, and there are programs that are like savings programs that are going to be ending soon. And I know a lot of people are kind of worried about what that future is going to entail once those savings programs are gone. Because that again, they were really built to be like a stop measure, so people could get these products that are new. So y'all, this is kind of an important thing. So if you're following, the semaglutides and all that, if you're like me and you've been able to have great success with it, it's something that you should just be aware of. And I think the big takeaway for me is you want to make sure that you're the right person, like a type 2 diabetic. And if you're not, you talk to your doctor if you are pre-diabetic, and that you have backup medical reasons why you need the product. Because I know that, again, even with the Hollywood stuff, people going out willing to pay cash for it and not using it the right way is not good. My humble opinion. It's not good for all of us. Not good for folks who actually medically need the drug, like someone like myself. So, and has benefited so much. But anyway, y'all, it's something to really think about. Just kind of throwing it out there so you kind of are aware of what's going on, because that is important. I've had to really make some major choices, I guess, in regard to all this too. Like I just talked about, do I do weight loss surgery, which it seems like, that's where I'm going to go, or do I just continue to push forward? My doctor basically told me at the point where I was at, I needed to lose 100 pounds, and knowing that I'm almost at 70 right now, it's a pretty good feeling. 30 more pounds to get to that point, so that's pretty awesome. Y'all, I'm just stoked. But anyway, I really appreciate it. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below. If there's something I could help you out with, if I could pray for you or encourage you in any way, definitely let me know in the comments. If you are looking for help on like how to get your insurance to basically get you approved or anything like that, I can make a video about that. Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, y'all. I hope everyone stays safe. Remember to like and subscribe. And, I hope you all are just healthy and continue to making the right choices. All right, thanks so much. Have a great day.